my car in there. Get them brakes done. Got them Hawk Performance brakes and rotors. Slotted and drilled. They're gonna look killer. A lot of cars out here. A lot of cars out here. I swear if these cars were clean, I was at a car show. Love that color back there. Hawk Performance rotors. Probably because this corner's got a chip in it.
Yeah. When the material starts breaking over here like that.
How many miles you think I'll get out these brakes?
Ceramic pads? I got 40,000 out of mine. What I'm saying, I got 40,000 out of mine.
40,000?
But that's hard.
That's good.
You can ask my brother-in-law. I drive the shit out of my car. And I got 40,000.
Yeah, cause I got 55,000. It still could have went a little longer. It's gonna look funny for me to see rotors without drilled and slotted. And I was looking at some big brake kits, and I seen it was like $3,000. I'm like, oh, that's too much. And that was just for the front. Or the rear. I was like, damn.
That's why you find you like a GT350 or a GT500 that's wrecked in the fucking yard or at an auction, and you just take the brakes off.
Yep. About to make this shifter look like a stand it. A bit of Corvettes today. Old school vet. I used to always want a Viper when I was little. Still wouldn't mind having one, I guess. Just can't afford it. Old school. I like your shirt, man.
Thanks.
That Jeep looks angry with that grill. I I still think the GT350 looks better than the 2020 GT500. Bitch, I could probably run and jump over that car. I ain't gonna try it though. I got 2 Mustang Mafia cars.
It's right there, transformer.
Thanks for the monster. It was pretty good, guys.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah.
Good. Alright.
See if you can notice what's different. You're not gonna notice it from the front.
Apparently it's in the back, huh?
You're getting kind of close, but now you're kind of getting a little kind of way. You're really getting really hot.
Something with the wheel. Yeah, look down. Look inside the wheel.
You want me to tell you?
No.
Oh, Jeff, let that guy pass.
The brakes. Oh.
Larry just told you. The rotors.
You got new rotors?
Yeah.
You got new rotors?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
They got drilled now. Now I gotta get them calipers painted.
You know what they say? If you want to go fast, you gotta slow fast.
What in the hell that means?
Never heard that one before. What you think that means? If you want to go fast, you gotta be able to slow down fast.
Oh, okay.
Go fast, you gotta slow fast.
I didn't catch what you were saying.
I wonder if I get vitamin C.
But that's not the only thing. The next one's. See if you can find the next one. See if you can find it. See?
I found one thing.
Yeah, with the help of Larry.
Yeah.
I heard him tell you.
Yeah.
Want me to tell you?
No, I want you to give me a little hint.
Yeah, it's inside the car.
Something inside the car. You got black ice.
No.
It's on a stick.
You got a shifter, yeah.
Yeah, it's the shifter. Looks like a standard.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see what I was glare.
What was it before? I never looked that hard at it before.
It was very stock looking.
Oh, man, this car's come a long way yet.
Yeah.
It's going a very long way.
Yeah.
What rims and what kind of rims it came with?
Just like some rims that look smaller and not as fancy.
That was 15, 16.
18s. Whoa! Camera's tripping. Right when he did that, the camera did this.
Oh, you probably rattled it loose.
What the hell happened?
You rattled it loose. He said, what is all this noise and vibration?
Oh, don't go that way. Now we have the Don Dome for back to school car meet. Raven Blue, I wanted to get that color they didn't have in 2015. And for a second I thought this was Carlos's car until I seen the GT350 bumper. A bee just stung. Somebody give me an EpiPen. Oh, your boy's riding high right there. If this video gets 1 million likes, Big Roo gets a new bumper. Give them kids their school supplies. I wonder if they're ready to go back to school.